You just put it out. Maybe for the 100th time, maybe for the very first. When you crush that cigarette, your body begins its repair protocol immediately, bypassing the common myth that healing takes years to arrive. If you've been smoking for a while, nicotine and tobacco smoke have quietly held your system hostage. They constrict your blood vessels, tightening around them like a fist gripping a hose, and rewrite your brain's natural chemistry to depend entirely on their next delivery. But the moment the nicotine supply stops, a clock starts. The next 24 hours represent one of the most dramatic biological transformations a human body can undergo. This recovery is an automatic, hardwired reflex. It functions independently, requiring no surgery or external medical intervention to proceed. The repair process is immediate and aggressive. It gains momentum the precise second the smoke clears. Let's look at minute 20. When nicotine leaves the bloodstream, the tension in your circulatory system breaks. Those tightly constricted blood vessels slowly begin to relax and open up. You might actually feel this happening. Your blood pressure drops, your spiked heart rate starts settling back to its natural baseline, and you may notice a subtle warmth or tingling returning to your fingertips and toes as the blood flow normalizes. Jump forward to the 8-hour mark. Every cigarette delivers a direct dose of a silent thief straight into your lungs, carbon monoxide. This diagram illustrates the problem. Your red blood cells use a protein called hemoglobin to transport oxygen to your tissues. Carbon monoxide aggressively invades those hemoglobin slots. It holds on with a grip 200 times stronger than oxygen and forces the oxygen to bounce right off, leaving your cells starved. But roughly 8 hours after your last cigarette, carbon monoxide levels drop. The pathways clear out, and oxygen molecules can successfully dock into those empty hemoglobin slots, traveling to the muscles and organs that have been waiting for them. This invisible clearing of your bloodstream is the mechanical reason people often report a measurable shift in their baseline energy and a clearer head on the very first day of quitting. Their brain and muscles are finally getting the oxygen they need. Moving into the 12 to 24-hour window, the cleanup moves deep into your airways. Your lungs are lined with tiny hair-like structures called cilia, essentially your respiratory janitorial staff. Cigarette smoke paralyzes them, knocking them flat and allowing toxic debris to accumulate. Without the paralyzing smoke, these cilia wake up. They spring back to life and frantically resume sweeping out the accumulated mucus, tar, and trapped particles, pushing the backlog up toward your throat. This increased coughing provides the mechanical evidence of your lungs clearing out years of debris. The janitorial crew is simply catching up on a massive backlog. While your lungs sweep, your cardiovascular system catches a break. Nicotine makes your blood platelets sticky and prone to clotting. Within this same window, those platelets become less aggressive, immediately easing the workload on your heart and lowering the risk of blockages. But there is a battle happening at the exact same time. Nicotine is an efficient molecule that mimics a natural neurotransmitter, hijacking your brain's reward pathway to trigger massive releases of dopamine. When the nicotine stops, the artificial dopamine supply crashes. Look at this neural pathway. Starved receptors flash empty, sending out chemical distress signals that you feel as irritability, restlessness, and deep anxiety. The sudden mood swings and intense cravings are a temporary mechanical error. The brain is simply rebooting its neurochemistry, working to restore its natural dopamine production and receptor sensitivity. The fear of that withdrawal is intense, but the neurological data offers a specific survival metric. The peak intensity of a craving typically lasts less than 5 minutes. As you navigate those short cravings, you hit the 24-hour mark, and one of the most surprising biological shifts occurs. The sensory receptors in your mouth and nose, which were physically dampened and altered by tobacco, begin to wake up. Food smells richer, and flavors become three-dimensional again. This return of taste and smell provides the earliest, most tangible real-time feedback that your nervous system is successfully coming back online. You only need to survive these short 5-minute neurochemical waves, while your body does the heavy work of rebuilding itself. You can mechanically assist this marathon. Staying heavily hydrated helps your kidneys flush out the remaining nicotine byproducts, and prioritizing sleep allows your brain the uninterrupted time it needs to recalibrate its disrupted REM cycles. Even a gentle walk acts as a natural dopamine modulator, buffering the mood dip in your brain. Meanwhile, eating colorful, antioxidant-rich foods actively combats the lingering oxidative stress left behind by the cigarette smoke. Your first 24 hours encompass a relentless biological restoration. Within a single day, your body reconfigures its chemistry and function, completing a measurable transformation before the sun even sets on day 1.